Reach the dial. Reach the dial. Reach the dial. Slower. Reach the dial. Roar. End.
It must have stopped Rocket's hiccups. Let's listen.
Be careful.
Does Rocket have the hiccups?
You're right. So good. It's time to stop the hiccups.
Surprise ever to stop Rocket's hiccups. I've got it! Geyser? What's it?
Geyser?
It's a hole in here that shoots out water from the sky. A geyser will be the biggest.
How you doing?
Perfect.
To rocket, I believe. Sorry.
The race is going to start soon. Don't you worry, Rocket.
Don't worry, Rocket. These hiccups are there.
I see the geyser holes, but June, where's all
Jude with the water.
This is going to be great! Come on, let's help the geyser surprise Rocket.
Let's splash into the water, Rocket. Let's practice. Ready? Listen to the music. It takes work. Water gonna spit it out. That's perfect. Say it again.
Oh, Rocket! Come
Stay right.
Yep, right there, Rocket. That's good. Okay, get ready.
Come on, let's use a splash. We're splashing in the water. Rocket is right in the water. I'm gonna let space eat. That's it. Movie, make me sneeze. You're right, we're still there. We got the price. That's it.
We've got to stop these hiccups soon.
Movie, sneeze. Don't worry about See that? Where you going, Rocket? Come back, Rocket! Come back!
It was just Rocket!
Rocket! There is tiny surprise from you. Are you ready? The hiccups. Angry. No. The hiccups. No, angry. Lightning. Right.
Sonic, it's that race. Thank you, little mouse.
The race started. Yeah, catch me out. Dora, go!
We need your help to help Rocket go faster. Clap your hands to the beat of the music.
Yeah.
Rocket is zooming across the globe. He's behind, but he's catching up fast. Rocket has to go around the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
Get my Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, there it is. Go, Rocket!
Go, Rocket.
Now we're heading
You're into sentence.
Egypt. Go, Rocket! Whoa, Rocket is passing airplanes left and right. Keep going. It's the Colosseum in Rome. Look.
This is going to be That's it. Wow, the great sentence is big. I know it is a rocket. This is what I sentence.
Hooray! Rocket is passing.
Rocket is something now. Hit jet.
Big jet.
Oh no! Rocket is the winner.
Rocket, you can pass.
Let's stop it. Rocket is the lead. Rocket. No, big shot. Oh no! No! Rocket is the lead. This is feelings. Today you're gonna fly. Something like this. Rocket is the winner.
Magnificent. Wow.
I couldn't get it. You, Rocket. Rocket, there's a fly.
You're welcome, Rocket.
Hey, that's the guy has some money. Here, sit around. You something I can. There's a lot happening to say all they can get. Mission accomplished! Respect me! Give me the water.
Let's clap our team. Let's clap for Danny, Quincy, Jude, Robbie.
Into this is what I'm going to do.
And now, the moment you call, waiting for
It's not the way you
music we heard today.
Go ahead. What's up, Babs? How's it, Babs?
You helped a lot today.
Alright, let me just... Let me try this. See you here. I look at the stain. Say.